For business. Okay, state your name, please.
Cody Martinez.
All right, what you got there?
A swarm.
Where'd you get it?
That tree right there.
Indeed. Yep, they're still there, kind of looking. Oh, they're massing again. Looks like we missed some.
Yeah.
It's okay, we'll get them. Hopefully the queen is in this ball right here. Looks like, if you'll hold still, looks like it is a beautiful swarm of bees. Stingless variety. Okay, that's pretty awesome, isn't it? If you'll just set them into the beehive, Cody, then this will be hive number 18. Slowly but surely. Ah, I love stingless bees. Anyway. Okay, now straighten the box up a little bit. It's off kilter, off the base, you see? Don't want any gaps. You want to be expeditious.
Wow, come look in here.
Is it pretty? Oh, they're doing the march?
Mm-hmm.
They call that the march. I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but all right, we better get that lid on, Cody.
Mm-hmm. Well, we better get the last ball.
Oh yeah, you're right, but let's get the lid on until then, maybe. And then we'll be right back with the ball. That's how you make a new beehive with the swarm. Well, we certainly did miss that one. I don't know how we did it. Okay, let's do it.
All right.